crispy, flavourful potato perfection. These are my garlicky Hasselback potatoes. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Today we're going to be making Hasselback potatoes, and these are such a great side dish, especially with saucy dishes and dishes served with gravy. I love how the sauce oozes down into all the nooks and crannies of those potatoes. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by preheating the oven. So whilst that oven's preheating to 200C or 400F, we're going to prepare the potatoes. Now I've got 8 Maris Piper potatoes here. They're small to medium in size, about 100 grams each, and that should serve 4 people. What we're going to do is we take a potato and then we get 2 wooden spoons and place them on either side of the potato. Now we're going to make cuts along the potato about 2 millimeters apart, and those wooden spoons will help ensure we don't slice all the way through the potato. Place the potatoes in a shallow oven-proof pan or roasting tray. So now I've got all of those potatoes sliced. I've placed them into an oven-proof cast iron pan, but you can also use a roasting dish if you prefer. Just make sure it's big enough so there's a little bit of space around each potato. And now we're going to make a really flavourful butter to put over the top of the potatoes. In my bowl here, I've got 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, and to that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're also going to add in 2 minced cloves of garlic, or you can replace with half a teaspoon of garlic powder if you prefer, plus half a teaspoon of dried thyme and 1/4 teaspoon each of black pepper, paprika and salt. Now give that a good stir together to combine. Drizzle that mixture all over the potatoes. So they go in the oven now for about an hour to an hour and 10 minutes until they're lovely and tender, and we're going to baste them 2 or 3 times during the cooking process. And then we finish off by sprinkling with some fresh thyme leaves and Maldon salt. So they're my garlic and thyme roasted Hasselback potatoes. They work really well for Christmas or any other time of the year. I'm serving those up for tea with my salmon and creamy white wine sauce. See you next time.